Hello there friends, welcome to my channel, This Kitchen Rendezvous. And if it is your first time stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And if you are new subscribers, please, thank you so much for joining us. And I really appreciate it. Thank you and may God bless you all. Without further ado, let's start cooking with Dee. Today, my loves, I decided to make a very special lunch for my mother as well for my mother-in-law. They have been too good to me and I have to do something special for them. Even though it's small, but it's the thinking that matters. It's from the heart, it's from my heart. So I decided to make it very nice and special for them. With that being said, I already cleaned my chicken with lime juice and also salt and vinegar as always. Now I'm showing you the cayenne pepper and also some salt, paprika, black pepper, including my Haïtian Epis. Those are the ingredients that I'm going to marinate my chicken wings. This garlic here, I smash it with my pilon here. I don't know how to say pilon in English. But anyhow, I smash it with this garlic. I am going to use it to make a sauce, garlic butter sauce, along with some parsley flakes. Now I am marinating my chicken wings very well. Now I am adding some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add some salt. I always taste your food. You know, it depends how much salt do you like. And then now I'm adding some paprika and as well some black pepper. Mix it well and let it marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure the chicken wings is well combined with the spice. And now we are ready to fry the chicken wings. I add half of the chicken wings. I would say about 7 to 10 pieces. Then I'll add the rest later because you don't want to add too many of chicken wings into the oil. It might reduce the heat. Now I try to fry the remaining of my chicken wings and ready to make the sauce. Like you guys see, I add some butter and then I add my garlic. Then mix it well. Now I'm adding some parsley flakes. Let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes and then your sauce, your garlic butter sauce is ready. Now look at that, guys. They are so crispy, very juicy and well marinated chicken wings. Those chicken parmesan garlic butter were bomb. They were so good, they were tasty. My mother and as well my mother-in-law loved the lunch. And I end up making some nice salad and some fried plantain, guys. Hey, I am Haitian, you know we're not gonna miss the fried plantain. So delicious. It was a special lunch and of course it was a surprise. They didn't even know what was going on, so I ended up doing it for them because they are so special to me. They are a blessing. Now I am pouring the garlic butter sauce into the chicken wings and mix it well, guys. And it's Mother's Day coming up, guys. Sunday is Mother's Day because I know Sunday, if I had to do it Sunday, they will be with me going to church. So I didn't want them to have a clue what I am going to do. So I had to do it a few days beforehand for them not to know. So I end up doing it today and give them a surprise lunch for special Mother's Day. It was so delicious, and I'm happy. They are happy as well, and I feel blessed because they are in my life. They helped me so much throughout my entire life, and as well my family. I cannot thank my mom and my mother-in-law enough. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I love you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And happy Mother's Day to all beautiful mothers out there. God bless you all. Bye. This is my beautiful mommy. Look at her smile. She's so gorgeous. She's been through so much in her lifetime, and this is nothing for me to do for her, and as well my mother-in-law. I thank them both for their prayers, for everything they have done for me and my family. Thank you, mom, and thank you, mother-in-law. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.